Have you ever wondered how much easier your workday could be with a little help from AI? Microsoft Copilot is here to transform your daily grind with its powerful AI capabilities. In this tech tip, we will dive into 5 ways Microsoft Copilot can make your day smoother and more productive. First, email management. Efficiently manage and organize your inbox with automated sorting and response suggestions. Say goodbye to email overload. Next, document drafting. Quickly draft documents with AI-powered content generation in Microsoft Word. Create polished documents in a fraction of the time. Spreadsheet analysis is a game changer. Copilot uses AI to perform complex data analysis and visualize trends in Excel, making your data-driven decision a breeze. For those countless meetings, Microsoft summaries are a lifesaver. Copilot will automatically generate summaries of your Microsoft Teams meetings. Stay on top of key points without the hassle of note-taking. And finally, presentation prep. With a simple prompt, Copilot can create a compelling PowerPoint presentation using AI-driven design suggestions. This will not just save you time, but also impress your audience with professional-looking slides. From automating mundane tasks to getting deeper insights, Copilot is like having a personal assistant that knows exactly what you need when you need it. And that's all for today's tech tip. So what do you think? Will you be implementing Copilot in your workday? See you on the next one.